Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It. We have got a small haul for us today, an Amazon / Aliexpress haul. It's very small. I'm going to start out with these fake nails that I got for a practice hand that I won from Evie the Nail Junkie. Thank you, Evie. I'm so happy about that. It's going to be for my acrylics. I just got to get her connected to the back of my desk, so I got those. I got some little rub-on stuff. Can't think of what it's called. Let me take a quick gander. I'm sure it's sealed and I won't be able to open it. Shoot. Could have left a little lip of it out. Oh, that is so pretty. Looky, this one looking great over a black nail. You can do that any time of the year. So we've got this one. And I've got like, I don't know, 4 or 5 others. Let me show you real quick. I have this orange and pink sparkle, which would look great over any kind of a nail as well. Whoopsie. This one here, the gold, is from Full Beauty. I think that is just stunning. These two, I don't know where I got them from. It says HQ. Well, one says HQ, one says HB. They are 0.2 grams. And as you can see, they are just beautiful. They're kind of changing colors, but they are different colors than each other. There we go. There's like probably like one of the colors you can see right there. They do change. I think that's pretty cool. We have some, oh shoot, Halloween nail stickers. Oh, these can be for fall too, I guess. So let's go through them. I haven't used them. These are definitely for Halloween. We have fall here with the leaves. This has got flames and smiley faces. So you can use these at any time of the year. Some stars, leaves, skeletons. Definitely Halloween. This would have been great for it, that clown face right there. Definitely Halloween. I did use the Frankenstein right there in the previous manicure that I had on for Halloween. Halloween. Lost Love. How nice. And more leaf stickers. Here we go. So these were cool. Let me see. These ones here, I swear these are SpongeBob. If anybody's certain, I swear they're SpongeBob, but if you're certain and I'm wrong or I'm right, let me know in the comments. There's some dog stickers. These are stickers. They could be water decals. But they're dogs. These are just random love stickers, I guess you could say. And then we have got, let me take a look down here. These are Halloween for sure. Did use a couple off here. My ghosts came off here. My spooky tree right there came off here. We have Christmas. This I got off of Amazon, I think. I'm not 100%. These are definite Christmas stickers off Amazon. You can just put in Christmas stickers and you can get a pack of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 here. Wait, let me see. Huh. Guess there's only 5 in this pack. Some of them have 8 or 7. So we've got this one. Try to get it in frame there so you can see them all. I think these are really super cute. Oh, you got penguin with antlers, Santa Claus, and some polar bears, some snowmen. And more Santa Claus, penguins, presents, a Rudolph up there. And it says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas." And that will be here before we know it. This was from Amazon. Oh, this is from Full Beauty, which is on Aliexpress. My bad, I was going to say Amazon there. Thought it was Amazon for sure. So, oh Lord, I need something white behind them. Oh, this isn't helping, does it? Not really certain. With the white ones, you can't really see them. I am sorry for that. I wasn't prepared. I thought these had a white backing. Really thought they had a white, or you know, the cardboard backing with them. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. I'm thinking about having a giveaway. I don't know if I want to wait till January 1st and start it. But stay tuned for that. Oh, this one's really cute. Really cute. This has got quite a few sheets in it. I wish you could see everything. I'm very, very sorry for that. I'm doing my best to be better with the black backing, I think. We can just pull a picture here and see. There we go. Good for an old Polaroid picture, huh? And that is the end of my stickers. So let me gather those back up together. And we have got a stamping plate, which is Mickey Mouse. I think this is really super cute. We have got some skulls here, which have a bow. I did use one of these. Oh, I can't get them open. Oh my goodness. There we go. I think these are really cute for Halloween. They are a skull with a bow. Really cute. Got these off Aliexpress. And these are some crystals. Yeah, I'm going to use also some fall manicures. I have got two different holographic foils. One is snowflakes, the other are roses, flowers. This is the flowers. And here are the snowflake ones. I'm not going to take them out. This video is running a little bit longer than I wanted it to. But that is the end of my haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want links to anything, please let me know, and I'll do my best to get them to you. I'm not going to have it in the description box. So, if you contact me with the quickness, I can definitely get you the Aliexpress and the Amazon links. So, yep, here is my haul for October 2021. So, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all my nail goodies. I got 3 packs of nails now for my practice hand. I just got to get it hooked up to the back of my desk and we can start on back to our acrylics. So, leave me a comment. Please subscribe. Click all of the notification bell. Stay tuned for any giveaways I might have towards the end of the year or the beginning of 2022. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.